the President will be isolated for 7 days from the time that he was tested positive. And after that, if his symptoms have resolved already, he may be able to go back to work and have his face-to-face activities.
The President has tested positive in an antigen test for COVID-19. He has a slight fever, but he is otherwise okay. Those who have been in close contact with him are currently being informed by the presidential management staff to observe their symptoms as per the protocol. Regarding the President's schedule for today, the Executive Secretary attended the morning's meeting or briefing on matters of security on behalf of the President. He will not be attending, the President will not be attending the 246th anniversary of U.S. independence at the U.S. Embassy today. However, he will virtually attend and give a message at the Leagues of Governors and Mayors meeting of officials tonight. In relation to the first family, Congressman Sandro Marcos has tested negative. The First Lady, Simon and Vincent, are all out of town and have not been exposed. The President encourages the public to get their vaccine series and boosters. Okay?
Ma'am, aside from the first family, who else was exposed to the President and are undergoing isolation right now? How long will the President be isolated? And what events or activities will be affected by this health event?
The President, well, it's an antigen test, huh? So the people are closest to him, so we're referring to those who were with him yesterday and the ones who are constantly he is in contact with, the Executive Secretary, PMS, etc. Myself, we all tested negative in an antigen test. So, but the others he has been in contact with, including those who have taken their oath, are being informed by the PMS to observe their symptoms as per the protocol.
Ito ang mahalagang anunsyo ni Press Secretary Trixie Cruz Angeles tungkol kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Sa ilalim ng kasalukuyang protocol ng Department of Health, 7 araw ang magiging isolation period ng presidente at hindi na kailangan pa ng confirmatory RT-PCR test dahil may sintomas ng sakit ang Pangulo nang siya'y magpa-antigen test ngayong araw.
So we are just going to monitor the President, but of course the President would have that prerogative if his doctor would advise him to take his RT-PCR. But nonetheless, the antigen test is already enough to state that he is positive for the disease and he has these mild symptoms.
Matapos nagpositibo si Pangulong Marcos sa COVID-19 base sa isang antigen test. Nagnegatibo naman sa parehong test ang anak ng Pangulo na si Sandro Marcos, na unang na-expose sa kanyang ama ang kongresista ng unang distrito ng Ilocos Norte. Hindi naman na-expose ang asawa ng Pangulo na si Liza at mga anak na sina Vinny at Simon dahil sila'y nasa out of town. Ang palagiang mga nakakasama ng presidente na sina Executive Secretary Vic Rodriguez, mga kawani ng Presidential Management Staff at si Angeles mismo ay nagnegatibo rin sa antigen test. Nagtanggal pa nga ng face mask si Angeles nang humarap siya sa media kanina.
By the way, just in case you're worried, negative ako ha. Thank you.
Dahil sa kanyang lagay, hindi makakadalo ang Pangulo sa ika-246 na anibersaryo ng kalayaan ng Estados Unidos sa US Embassy sa Maynila. Via online na lang din ang pagdalo niya sa meeting ng mga gobernador at mayor ukol sa booster shot uptake. Nitong mga nakaraang araw, may mga pagkakataong hindi nakasuot ng face mask ang Pangulo, gaya noong Martes sa kanyang cabinet meeting at sa pagharap niya sa media pagdating ng hapon. Ito na rin ang ikalawang beses na nagpositibo sa COVID-19 ang Pangulo. Isinugod siya sa emergency room noong 2020 matapos makaranas ng hirap sa paghinga. Samantala, sinabi ni Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergere na kailangang mag-isolate ng Pangulo sa loob ng 7 araw.
If a person is symptomatic, the antigen test will be accurate already. So we are just going to monitor the President, but of course the President would have that prerogative if his doctor would advise him to take his RT-PCR.
Hindi naman sinabi ni Angeles kung saan mismo mag-isolate ang Pangulo. Pagkatapos ng 7 araw, makakabalik na ang Pangulo sa trabaho at face-to-face activities kapag wala na siyang sintomas.